machine. Yeah, in a great boy chucking.
Baby, you can't be showing us your jaws like that, baby. Baby, calm down, baby. Baby, calm down now, baby. Let go!
Guns we love busting.
Reaction.
What's the word, YouTube? It's about Terry Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. People, we're back in effect with another video for you guys. We heard a song from Plumpy Boss, Jaja, and Castella. You feel me? Song's called We Now Wait. People, leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe, share the good stuff. You see me? We're just there chilling today. We're giving us some laid back reactions. You feel me? We have a lot of cool little vibes. Nothing too crazy, nothing too OC. But you don't know if the song, you feel me, is doing a lot. The Reaction Boss for do a lot. So leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe, share, and let's get straight to it, you know? Yeah. You know, chap. If you don't know what to comment some fire emoji. Let's go. Warning, everything fake. Alright. Let's say shout out to Big Bang Studios. Same as big up yourself one time as usual. I say Studio Impact Productions, big up to you also. Run tune. Whoa. We ain't gonna act like we're gonna see those now. Like, baby, we see those. You feel me? Those are looking very scrumptious, very delicious. Like, skooka. Let go! Anybody, if you know, you know.
Yeah. Don't make we start the gold shop. Every gun we buy, we done live for.
I never see her a while ago. Dog. Which part? Which? Baby, where you titty them there, baby? Baby, baby, where you titty them there? For that big man meds, baby. What the bumbo clot you going right there, so baby? Baby, what really going on, baby? Where your blood clot titty them there? Baby, what going on? Like, baby, talk to me. Baby, talk to me, baby. Where your titties at, baby? God damn, baby. Let go.
Don't make we start the gold shop.
Hey.
Every gun we buy, we done live for that. My little pussy with some little shop. Hard ball in a head live for.
That gonna make him know say, yo, don't make him start go out the door and dig up his shot in the backyard. You see me? The youth them youth there, I some little 9 and Glock them I walk with. You see me? Him and walk with the 9 and a Glock. Nah, no little Glock 40. No little PDP. You see me? I said no little Walter. No little Hellcat. You see me? Real tune.
How come in place and not the clothes that?
Yeah.
Call the hearse, tell it reverse back.
Hey!
Somebody
That's a call the earth and tell it reverse back because them are done yet. Call the earth and tell reverse back because we're not finished yet. Yo, run tune.
Go at the talk shop.
Yeah.
And my dog, them not do long chat. We not wait for them machine. Circle elements with the machine. In a grave boy chucking.
Yeah.
Cause all we guns we love busting.
Hey. The dog say, yo, he's not waiting. He's not gonna wait for them rushing. He's gonna circle them ends with the machine. Guess what? He's not done yet. Like Dodos encourage in Jamaica. In a grave them chucking. Like a chucky. Road clad. Red tune.
In a grave boy chucking. Cause all we guns we love busting. Yo, we not wait for the machine. Circle elements with the machine. Yeah. In a grave boy chucking. Cause all we guns we love busting. I'm a belly to overload. Yeah. Ready for go turn boy over. Drive shot in a head like Land Rover. Step on the men's militant like soldier. Fi send boy over home. Yeah. Big Mac 90s and 5th gen from
Alright.
team a fully bad strictly.
Baby. We go from. She kind of look nice.
Yeah. Big Mac 90s and 5th gen.
But her body did that too. You see me? What?
From sense.
But we go from the big titties, cricket, at the start of the video to that. Baby. And your friend big too, baby. What about buckle? Why am I so? Babe, you know, it's just a Reaction Boss speaking, baby. You feel me? You know, you know, calm it down. Let's get to the video. Run through.
Team a fully bad, strictly 7 gang love left, wild and risk.
Car watch.
Shot in the face, just a boy quickly. March out, make the place hotter than chimney. Boy violate, we demolish them history.
What?
7 top strikers coming like Christy.
Nothing no long chat. Boy, I feel run fast, let buzz. Blood spread like when rum chop. 7 full of don't spot. Yeah, but we fun zap. For my boy violate. Gunshot no fun snap. We now wait for the machine.
Circle them ends with the machine.
Yeah, in a grave boy chucking. Cause all we guns we love busting.
Baby, you can't be doing that. Did you tell her who? Did you wait? Did you tell her that I'm reacting to the video or what? Baby, you can't be doing that, baby. Baby, I'm finna do some shit like this now, baby. You can't be doing that, baby.
Yeah, in a grave boy chucking.
Baby, you cannot be doing that, baby. Baby, you could get fucked right there, baby. You don't even gotta move. Like, baby, you could stay right there. Jamaica's niggas, we crazy. I don't want to do. I'm not gonna do too much on camera, but baby, I could literally slide under that motherfucker, baby, just like this. I'm a skinny nigga now, baby. I could slide up part of that motherfucker, baby. Don't play with me, baby. Don't play with me, baby. Don't play with us Jamaicans now, baby. Let go.
Cause all we guns we love
Proceed. Hey.
We not wait for the machine. Circle the men's with the machine. Yeah, in a grave boy chucking. Cause
Baby, you can't be showing us your jaws like that, baby. Baby, calm down, baby. Baby, calm down now, baby. Let go!
guns we love busting.
Hey.
We never the warning thing. 6 men dead in the morning king. 13 the clip we put all in a chin. Hot sun murder brawling thing.
Brawling.
How we do the boss head.
Circle.
Somebody want tell my pet. 7.6 to a puff boy forehead. Send boy in a dirt and I just shove it.
BGS no full of yes man. Shot something and make a head expand. Them a some comic, that's where I say I X-man. Babies and infants, bout big one, cop it in the face, make
Hey,
happy start.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know Jaja, I know Castella. But dog, you know I go on, Plumpy boss. Yeah man, people, the reason I come with that chill vibes, I'm just go on a different level of the reaction. I talk about the girls and all that vibes because the song shot. But me not pay attention to the dogs right now. Yo, Jaja, Castella, you know do the thing. Bumbo clot, yeah. You see me? You see reaction boss, you see me change everything for them, but people, when legit I watch the video, more productive to that point, I see him way. I give you that chill vibes. I must have build back and I will have vibes. You see? That's how I have vibes, dog. And then this and the stuff what I know where that guy start get lit. That I forgot to say Plumpy boss and one man making say, oh that song you but when I do the reaction, I forgot shot Plumpy boss and I say, yo, yeah man, the song you go on man, 2 artists them bad pan the song. Yeah man. You see me? But the thing is dog, you have to make the one them know say, yo, the dad them are do them thing, the dad them legit, the dad them are go on to blood clean. I don't know if the dad them are the music long time or not, but I'm a first when I hear the band them and the dad them are go on people. I'm not follow me in the comment section, dog. Bumbo clock, go on.
X-man, babies and infants, bout big one, cop it in the face, make dopey start leave land, leak, marrow twist pan, hard ball grease man. My dog, whole place dark up again, non-stop drilling till every
Kawa, hey!
We not wait for the machine. Circle the men's
With the machine.
Yeah, in a grave boy
Chucking.
Cause all we guns we love busting. Yo, we not wait for the machine. Circle the men's with the machine. Yeah, in a grave boy chucking. Cause all we guns we love busting.
Murder and a polite, we murder them first bite. Rifle in a face, one pressure ring out like a mobile. Don't let us like a fly, them a badness with no fertile. Why are them quicker than phone line? You know we headshot, chest up, a body only. Shot boy, mash up better than them respiratories. Guns out when they boss out, mandatory. K-boss and songs sweeter than love stories.
We not wait for the machine. Circle the men's with the machine. Yeah
man.
In a grave boy chucking.
Yeah man, bad song.
Cause all we guns we love bust it. Yo, we not wait for the machine. Circle the men's with the machine. Yeah, in a grave boy chucking. Cause all we guns we love bust it.
People. Yeah man, see the impact production. It's a good look. People, your thoughts on the video, your thoughts on the song. Reaction boss just giving a bad reaction as usual, but people want your opinion. You see me? Castella and Jada do them thing, you know, Plumpy boss, I always do them thing. You see me? I say, big song, you see me? Leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Reaction boss signing out of here. Big up all the ladies that I get like people, you know me. From day one, I love pum pum, pussy until my dead. nothing else can so nice. A world boss. Hey, Gab. Oh!